Today we have a 2008 Toyota Tundra with the 5.7 liter engine, otherwise known as the 3UR-FE. We'll be replacing the thermostat, which is located right there. You see that black point? Boom. To the right of the engine, on our left side, you're facing inward. Is the entire assembly, so very simple. So first thing first, we're going to remove the lower radiator hose. Just squeeze the clamp, pull it down, and get this hose off. And then it will expose the three 10mm that are all around. Alright, so with the lower radiator hose removed, I have a little plug on it just to help do some coolant in there. Just going to push that to the side, kind of try to push it up against the power steering hose here, just kind of put it right behind it, give us a little more room. So now we're going to take off three number 10 bolts around this thermostat here. One there obviously, one directly below, and then one on the side over here. So if you look at our new part, you'll kind of see the orientation as well as how everything looks. So it's going to be facing like this, so you obviously can tell from where the three number 10s will be. So we're going to go ahead and get those bolts out and get ready to put this one in. Alright guys, so one more nut here. I'm going to go ahead and just take it off and focus on that part there. Oh my shit, okay, here we go. Comes right out. Just make sure to remove that gasket as well. You don't want to double gasket this here. So there's our old thermostat. Let's get it out of the way. And then go ahead and pull the old gasket off. And then we're going to just clean up this surface area up a little bit, just so we get a nice clean seal. And then we're going to go ahead and slide the new thermostat on and torque it down to 7 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so my new thermostat is in place, torqued down to 7 foot-pounds, those 3 nuts. To be honest with you, when putting these nuts in, I just did a snug fit and it passed 7 foot-pounds. So if it gets a little too hard to get the torque wrench in here, snug fit, it seems like it passed. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.